Hello, welcome again. In this tutorial I will talk about mainly grid pen, but first of all let me tell something about flow pen and border pen. Flow pen is like something that, for example, I am adding horizontally one element after another. If the horizontal capacity fills up, it will automatically go to next row. It will automatically go to next row and start adding again in the second row. And border pen is simply like, for example, modern web application structure. It will have top, navigation bar, left, right, center and a footer. Maybe you can consider bottom, top, left, right, center. These are the positions. If I want to add something, for example, I need to make a web application, I need to add left menu, top menu. I can use post.top left as top, post.bottom left as bottom, post.top left as left, post.top right as right, and post.center as center positions. So you can test these things actually. These are actually flow pen, and another is border pen. You can try using these things yourself. These are very easy. Now I will use grid pen. Grid pen is mostly used to build modern business applications. It's a nice UI pattern actually. Let's try to code something and see what can our grid pen do. In grid pen we will also use border pen. Let's see. First of all, I define a border pen. Equal new border pen. So now we will use border pen as our root. Border pen as our root. Okay. Fine. So as I have said, it has different position: top, left, bottom, right, and center. Border pen has. Okay. We are not using group right now. And we have to define a grid pen. Grid pen equal new grid pen. Okay. You can set some of its properties. Grid pen dot set padding. Grid pen dot set padding. Maybe new insets. Five. Okay. Grid pen dot set ace gap, maybe 5. That means gap between horizontal children. Grid pen dot set v gap, gap between vertical rows actually. Let's make a column constraints. Column 1 equal new column constraints, double width. Let's make our column constraints width as 100. It's fine with. Let's make it equal 380 and 150. 380 and 150. Width is 380 and height is 150. Okay. can make another column constraints. Column constraints has a number of constructors. Width, we have used this one. Let's make this one as of 3. Min width, preferred width, max width. Min width may be 50, preferred width may be 150, max width may be 350. Okay, just set for now. Column 2 dot set is globe priority dot always. Okay, now grid pane dot get column constraints. Grid pane dot get column constraints dot add all column constraints, column 1, column 2. Okay, so I have added column constraints to my grid pane. Okay, let's do something more. Label, add a label. If name equal new label, string text, first name, text field, you can use text field, if name text or new text field. Copy it. Another label for last name. Last name, and I need another text field for last name. So I have added another text field for last name. I will add these things, and maybe I should add a button. Okay, now grid pane dot set is alignment, horizontal alignment of if name, first name will be in is post dot right. If name label, it says position is set to is post dot right. And dot add if name add 0 0, if name column index is 0, row index is 0. Okay, Okay, now I can add the last name label. Grid dot set is alignment of last name is was dot right. Okay, grid dot add. Its column index is 0, row index is 1. Okay, that means it will be added to the next row actually. Now let's add the text fields. You can guess that first name label is set at column index 0, row index 0. So its text field should be column index 1 and row index 0. Okay. Depend dot set is alignment if name txt dot right dot add if name txt column index 1, row index should be 0. Now add the last name text field. Grid dot set is alignment last name txt is first dot right. Grid dot add lname txt. So last name it should be at column index, row index, column index 1, row index also 1. Now let's add the button. Where should I place the button? Is alignment button, save button, save button. Okay, it should be at column index. It can be anywhere. If I want to place it on the right side, it should be at column index 1, and obviously it should be at column row index 2. Grid dot add save button. It should be at column index 1, row index 2. Okay. So what I can do next, maybe now let's add one flow pen top banner, maybe new flow pen. So we are actually using all the layouts as I have said at the beginning. Top banner dot set ref height maybe 40. Okay, so top banner is height is set to 40, and we can set some properties to top banner also. We will complete this tutorial in next part. Thanks for today. Keep watching.